Hello everyone. Now we are going to learn the Wireshark Lab on TCP topic. Here TCP means Transmission Commission Protocol. This is an internet protocol which guarantees the packet sent to the receiver. As you know, there are two protocols, TCP and UDP. This TCP protocol will provide a guarantee to the packet transfer, but UDP can't, and it is a connection oriented. UDP connectionless. Now we will do this lab. Here first we will do the capturing a bulk of TCP transfer from your computer to a remote server. It means we are transferring from our client device to one other server. To go to the follow these steps. First, as usual, start up your browser. Then we need to go to this link. As we have received this one, then and save this somewhere in your computer. Like I have already saved this one and named it as ls.txt. ls. You may say here ls test. This is the test we already received. Now the next step is now the next step is just go to this link, and the next step is here they told that this um, interface will appear. Yes, as they told the interface is appearing, then we will choose the file. The file name is ls.txt. Here you may see today in ls.txt. Just click on open, but don't download upload it, because before upload we need to start our Wireshark. Here see, don't hit press the upload dot button. Now start up the Wireshark and return to the browser. Then after starting the Wireshark we need to upload it. Wireshark. Mm, it was starting. Okay, now select Wi-Fi. Here see the packets are going capturing. Now upload the file. Just upload ls.txt. Now stop the packet capturing. Here we may see the protocol TCP. When we have sent ls.txt, this protocol was activated. Before we know only HTTP, UDP, and DCHP protocols. Now after this, close this window and close this window also. Okay. I hope you already captured the packets. Now we can explore the questions. Here, first question is, what is the IP address and TCP port number used by the client computer? I mean, the current you are using the computer right now, its IP address and its TCP port number. Go to the Wireshark, and when the connection is okay, here see the HTTP connection is okay. Then TCP. This is the actual first packet transferred, and this is 172.165.9.186. This is the IP address of my PC laptop, and its source port is 55,907. This is the solution of first question. And what is the IP address of we have sent to the GIA server, and on what port it is sending and receiving TCP segments. Select another packet, this packet. Now you may see its destination port is 80. Just select this 128. This one, and its source port is 80, and destination port is as my computer's port number. This is a source port of the server which we are sending, and this is the destination computer. Likewise, our computer. And third question: what is the IP address and TCP port number used by your client computer to transfer the file to this server? Simple, like our first question. This first and second, third are same. Just select this one. This is the IP address of our first computer. Then this is the source port and destination code 80. Now the third question is, what is the sequence number of TCP SYN segments? Means here you need to filter SYN segment. As you know, SYN and acknowledgement number. SYN is nothing but here three handshake rule. At beginning, it sends one packet to initiate the connection between two devices. Here now we go to the SYN. Here SYN segment. Select this SYN segment as the question. What he told. What what is in the segment that identifies the segment as a SYN segment? Just flags are if flags are set, then our connection is successfully established. Now, first sequence number from our device. This is the first our IP address and SYN. Go to the flags transmission under flags. Yes, see, SYN set. This is the proof. And what is the sequence number of SYN NAC segment sent by the other server to the client server, reply to the SYN. And what is the value of the acknowledgement number field in the SYN ACK together? How did the this server determine that value? What is the segment that identified the segments as SYN SYNAC segments? Just nothing but acknowledgement number and SYN need to set. First search that packet. SYN acknowledgement here see this is the first. Under this, go to the flags, and this is the acknowledgement number as in the question asked. This is the acknowledgement number, and here acknowledgement number set you may see, and SYN is set. Here both are set. We'll go to the next question. And what is the sequence number of TCP segment containing HTTP post command? Note that in order to find post command, you need to dig into the packet content field that bottom of the where there is post, and it is the HTTP actually where the first packet HTTP post was done. Yes, this is the first connection is okay. This is the as they asked. This is the packet number is 843. And next question. Consider the TCP segment containing HTTP post as the first segment in the TCP segment. What is the sequence number of first six segments? Select that one where there is post one. This is one post. As you see here, post is a seen. And we have selected. And asking what are the sequence number of first six segments in the TCP connection. Okay, just as we selected that packet PSH, the packet number is 850, and these are the six fields: source, destination, conversation, TCP segment length, sequence number, acknowledgement number.
Thank you.